Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is really close to my heart. It's about how I cleared the pigmentation around my mouth. I know pigmentation can be really stubborn and frustrating, but with a consistent routine, you can actually get some great results. This is how my skin transformed from this to this in about 3 months. This is because I followed a very consistent routine and I'm going to show that routine to you guys. Before starting, one important thing that I want to say is when it comes to acid and active ingredients, you can never rush. You have to introduce acids and actives to your skin very slowly and gradually. You have to increase the acid and active ingredients gradually depending how your skin reacts. So saying that all, let's get started and I'm going to show you the products with which you can get great results. Let's get started. Let's begin with the very first product, which is this Glyco 6 cream. This one. This is the Glyco 6 cream and this is the most affordable yet most effective products that you can get for yourself. It's available at almost every chemist shop for about 200 rupees and you don't need to spend a fortune. It has 6% of glycolic acid and this will gently exfoliate your dead skin cells, improve the texture and lighten the pigmentation. Now, how do I use this? I introduced this to my skin gradually. I started using this twice a week. हफ्ते में 2 बार मैंने इसे यूज किया है consistently just to remove the dead skin and the pigmentation. उसको इसने धीरे धीरे लाइटन किया और एक्सफोलिएट किया. बहुत ग्रेजुअली इसे अपनी स्किन पे इंट्रोड्यूस करना है. यू कैन नॉट स्टार्ट यूजिंग दिस हफ्ते में 4 बार एकदम से. You have to introduce this really slowly to your skin. So how I started using this cream was I started using this twice a week. So yes, the first one is this Glyco 6. Now, weekly you have to use this one twice. And with this, you have to pair this cream. Now, this one is by Scarfix. This cream is Scarfix TX. Now, this one has alpha-arbutin, vitamin C. I use this mainly for the ingredient kojic acid. Now, again, कोजिक एसिड इज एन एक्टिव और इसको भी हमने बहुत स्लोली अपनी स्किन में इंट्रोड्यूस करना है. सो कोजिक एसिड basically works by blocking the melanin production in your skin. So this will help lighten the pigmentation and dark spots and give you a very even skin tone. तो मैंने इसे कैसे यूज किया है? 2 times a week I will use Glyco 6 for exfoliation and 2 times a week I will use this Car FX kojic acid cream for exfoliation around my mouth. So I use these during the night time. मैं इसको रात के टाइम यूज करती हूँ हफ्ते में 2 बार ये and 2 times this. Now these are actives. Again, I'm saying you have to introduce these really slowly to your skin. If your skin starts adjusting really well, आप इसे 3 times increase कर सकते हैं and 3 times ये. So how I used to do is I started by using these 2 times a week, but gradually मैंने इसे increase किया 3 times a week पे. So alternate days में मैं ये use करती हूँ and the next day I would use this. I would use these on alternate days. So this is Glyco 6 and this is kojic acid by Scarfix. Now in the morning every day I wake up because मैंने रात को exfoliation की होती है. I would use these physical exfoliating pads. These are vitamin C exfoliating pads by Medicube. This is a Korean product and these are exfoliating pads. It has vitamin C in these and basically these will give a physical exfoliation to the skin. Physically आपके dead skin को mouth के around साफ करेंगे. After using these at night, I genuinely use these. I wake up in the morning and the first thing I would do is I would take a good pad soaked in vitamin C. It looks something like this. And मैं इसको अपने mouth के आसपास बड़े अच्छे से clean कर लेती हूँ, which would physically remove all the dead skin cells and मेरी skin को एक बहुत gentle smooth finish मिल जाती है. Plus it has vitamin C, तो एक basic glow को ये आपकी skin के लिए add करता है. Again, this is vitamin C toner pads by Medicube and these have vitamin C and niacinamide and these give very gentle exfoliation and at the same time these will brighten my skin and I love how they leave my skin feeling naturally glowy and without any irritation. So yes, this is a great Korean skincare product to remove hyperpigmentation. अब जब आप अपनी स्किन को इतना एक्सफोलिएशन करते हैं बाय यूजिंग एक्टिव्स एंड मे बी फिजिकल एक्सफोलिएशन, यू नीड extreme moisturization for the skin. Otherwise your skin will get so bad. And so yes, moisturization is a must, especially when you are using acids. So for that, my go-to is this product by Medicube. Again, this is by Medicube and it is the Medicube Deep Vita C Cream. This one has capsules of vitamin C. Now, skin को moisturization देने के साथ साथ this will give a very bright even tone to my skin. I usually take the vitamin C capsules and this gives a very glowy, hydrating, plumpy look to my skin. बहुत hydrating है and this is not at all oily. So yes, if you have oily skin, you can use this moisturizer. It is very good for moisturization. Plus, it has vitamin C and niacinamide, which will help you add a good glow to the skin. So yes, moisturization के लिए मैं इसे दिन में 2 बार यूज करती हूँ around my mouth and I feel great after using this. पूरे दिन skin बहुत अच्छे से moisturized रहती है. I'm going to sum up हफ्ते में in a week. Alternate days पे Glycosix, alternate days पे Scar FX का Kojic acid. सुबह उठ के I'll do the exfoliation by these pads, followed by a very good moisturizer, which is this vitamin C based. So yes, I am using Glycosix, then I'm using Kojic acid, followed by vitamin C in form of toner pads and moisturizer. Now comes the final step. This one is the last step, but this is the most important step because no matter how many products you use for pigmentation and even skin tone and glow, you cannot end your skincare without using a good sunscreen because our pigmentation go theek kar bhi lo. If you're not using a sunscreen, you will again get sun damage and a lot of even more pigmentation. So yes, a good sunscreen every time you go out in the sun is essential. This will help you prevent further dark spots. So a sunscreen every time you go out is must. I use this one by Supergoop. It is the unseen sunscreen. So I'm going to repeat the skincare routine. I use the Glycosix, then I use the Kojic acid on alternate days. These can be really strong for your skin. So आपने इनको अपनी स्किन केयर में बहुत gradually increase करना है. Start by using 2 times a week, then increase to 3 times a week. सुबह उठते ही toner pads which have vitamin C, इससे आपको करनी है exfoliation, followed by a good moisturizer that has vitamin C. This one by Medicube, followed by a good sunscreen. So yes, this is all the routine that I followed religiously and you can do too. आपको इस रूटीन को बहुत कंसिस्टेंटली एंड पेशेंटली फॉलो करना है. आई कैन नॉट प्रॉमिस एनी रिजल्ट्स कि आपको 2 दिन में कोई रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे, बट यस, विद अ वेरी कंसिस्टेंट यूज यू कैन गेट रियली गुड रिजल्ट्स. आई गारंटी दैट. If you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, doubts, queries, and if you try this routine, let me know if this works for you. Bye-bye.